This is Bubba Bear, and Bubba's excited. Today is the grand opening of his Build-A-Burger restaurant. But he's got a problem. Bubba's cook called in sick, and he has no one to fix the burgers for his customers. If you're willing to help, tap on the door and we'll get started.
Yoo-hoo!
Bubba has all kinds of special things that you can use to top your hamburgers. If you're not sure what some of these things are, just tap on them to hear the name of them. If you're ready to start building burgers, tap on that plate with the knife, fork, and spoon.
Yeah!
And here comes our first hungry customer. He wants a cheeseburger with lettuce and tomato, so listen carefully and I will tell you the steps to build his burger. First, put the bottom bun on the bottom where the arrow's pointing. We will always start on the bottom.
Yoo-hoo!
Bubba says, "Great job!" Your very first hamburger is a huge success. Let's try another. Customer 2 orders a hamburger with ketchup, mustard, and pickles. Remember, we start at the bottom to build our burger. First, put the bottom bun on the bottom. After that,
Yeah!
wow, what a great job following directions. Do you think you could remember them? Could you tell someone else how to build this burger? Our big bad wolf just had a very bad experience trying to catch 3 little piggies. He was not very successful, so he's still very hungry. The next best thing, a bacon burger. Start with the bun on the bottom, then put the burger on top of that.
Yeah!
Perfect! I'm sure he's going to wolf that down in one big gulp. Now grab a listening buddy and see if you can tell them the 6 steps to building a bacon cheeseburger in order. When you're ready to do the next one, tap anywhere.